Suresh vs. State of UP. A detailed analysis. The case highlights the importance of child testimony and forensic evidence. The appellant's mental health and age played a significant role in sentencing. The appellant Suresh was a starving youth who was given shelter by a kindly couple by engaging him as a domestic servant. The victims were Geeta, a housewife, and her younger son Anil, who was 3 years old at the time of the incident. Both of them lost their lives in the attack. However, Sunil, her 5-year-old son, survived the attack and went on to become the prosecution witness. On the morning of 6th May 1971, Mohan Lal, the husband, leaves for Allahabad. At 1 p.m., Geeta and her children have their lunch. At 2 p.m. there is an assault on Geeta and her children. Geeta and 3-year-old son Anil are killed. However, the 5-year-old Sunil survived the attack. After the assault, the domestic servant Suresh claimed that intruders committed the crime. According to the medical and forensic evidence, Geeta's injuries were mostly to the face and the head. Sunil testified that their servant Suresh had attacked them. The appellant had scratches and abrasions which were consistent with defensive injuries. The defense questioned the testimony of Sunil, who they claimed is a young child with immature understanding, and no oath was administered to him due to his lack of understanding of its sanctity. Moreover, they claimed that he did not implicate the appellant immediately, delaying his statement for at least 2 days. Also, his statement was recorded by the police about 20 days after the incident. The defense further claimed that the appellant is only a 13-year-old boy, is physically incapable of overpowering, gagging, assaulting, and killing a well-built 30-year-old woman like Geeta. Such acts, as alleged, are implausible for someone of his age and size. The defense argued that injuries on Geeta and the appellant came from both blunt and sharp weapons. This implies multiple attackers, likely strangers, as it's improbable the appellant used 2 weapons. The trial court convicted the appellant for the murder of Geeta and her son Anil. Awarded death penalty to Suresh. The High Court confirmed the decision of the trial court. The appellant, Suresh, appealed to the Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court held that when the appellant was suspected of mental instability during the trial, he was sent to a Varanasi mental hospital. Exhibit K20 of the hospital record shows that he was 23 when admitted on 19 July 1973. Hence, he was about 21 at the time of the May 1971 incident. The appellant's injuries confirm his presence during the assault on Geeta. And his suspicious conduct included not raising an alarm or acting after the robbers had fled. He calmly went and told his neighbors that intruders had killed Geeta and her son. Anil was sleeping beside his mother, was injured during her assault. And Sunil was then attacked to prevent him from identifying the culprit, a household servant responsible for caring for the boys. Dr. Guha and Dr. Sharma confirmed that all the injuries on Geeta were on the front. Geeta and her son Anil died from iron rod injuries. The appellant likely disarmed Geeta and struck her. The Supreme Court upheld the conviction for murder. However, death sentence was commuted to life imprisonment due to mitigating factors like age, mental health, and remorse.
Thanks for watching.